Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix all the bugs and glitches inside Facebook application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to go to the App Store and you'll simply have to search. It's loading. Now you'll have to simply search for Facebook app right here. Facebook, like this. It will take some time. Now you'll have to tap on Facebook, and if you'll be able to find an option of update, simply tap on update, and it will take a bit of time and it will be updated to the latest version. Now if it still doesn't fixes your problem, what you'll have to do next is to go to the settings of your phone, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and right here you'll be able to find the list of all the applications that have been installed on your phone, and you'll have to look for Facebook. Now once you have found it, you'll have to tap on offload app, tap on offload again, and then simply tap on reinstall app. Basically what it will do, it will uninstall or delete all the cache files and corrupt files from your phone that are related to Facebook, and which will definitely help you to fix all the bugs and glitches that you're facing while using the Facebook application, and it will also become fast. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.